Hello friends, good day to you. This is Jianhui Steel Bella. Today we are going to discuss topic of what affects the price of PPGI steel and PPGL steel. Jianhui Steel Factory summarizes 10 major reasons for you. Number 1, raw material costs. Number 2, coating material. Number 3, manufacturing processes. Number 4, market demand and supply. Number 5, global economic conditions. Number 6, government regulations. Number 7, transportation costs. Number 8, exchange rates. Number 9, technology and innovation. Number 10, competitive landscape. If you have any questions, please contact me as soon as possible. Bye. See you next time.